Most beginners don't fail because Go High Level is hard. They fail because they're not using the right offer. A lot of people see creators in this space talking about how you can charge a $2,000 setup fee and $297 a month right out the gate. But the truth is, if you're just a beginner, you're more than likely not going to close one of those deals right when you just get started. And that's something that I realized very quickly in my agency, and so I needed to adapt. And I started my agency about 2 years ago, and this is the exact offer that I've still been using to this day and gets me unlimited clients. I truly do believe that this is the best offer to use in 2026, especially if you're a beginner. Here's the thing about being a beginner in this space. You most likely don't have the experience to talk to people. You've never probably talked to a business owner about marketing, and you don't know how to actually fulfill the service. So we are going to go through the best offer that I've been using for my agency and how to actually fulfill the services and how I even use this system in my very own agency. And look, this offer isn't just working for me, it's also working for my affiliates. There's a guy in my private school community named Marcus, and he's my affiliate. And in the 30-day period, he was actually able to close a client in his 30-day free trial period. And he also had to upgrade to now the $297 a month Go High Level plan because he now has 3 clients and he's only in his 2nd month. For those of you who do not know who I am, my name is James. I started this business model about 2 years ago, and now I've scaled my marketing agency with over 100 monthly paying clients. Now, I'm not one of those people on the internet that try and make this business model sound like it's all sunshine and rainbows. It is hard. You do have to put a lot of time into it, but you do have time and location freedom. I have tried so many different business models out there. I've tried Amazon FBA, I've tried YouTube automation, I've tried drop shipping, I've tried so many different models, and all of them have one thing in common. You have to restart from zero every single month. And so that's why this business model really caught my attention, because you don't have to do that. You close these clients and put them on monthly plans, and you make money every single month. Imagine waking up in your day-to-day life and you already know that you have 3 clients paying you today. I like to be honest and upfront. I'm not one of these gurus that tell you in your first month you're going to be making $12,000 a month. That is not the case. This process definitely does take time to build, but it's better to have something in process than not starting at all. Everything I'm going to be showing you in today's video is by using a software called Go High Level, and I actually am a partner with them. So if you sign up using my affiliate link, you get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14-day one, and you are treated as my affiliate. That means you get 2 calls per week with me. You get my snapshots, my SOPs, you get my direct VAs that I work with, which I'll deeper explain later in the video. But if this seems like something that you're interested in, go ahead and sign up down below. I used to actually have a landscaping business. I had tons of side hustles throughout my high school career, and the landscaping business was actually doing very, very well. But a hailstorm rolled through and it totaled my truck. So I stopped doing my lawn care business and I started going to other ventures, and then eventually I found Go High Level. A lot of people are terrified to work a 9 to 5, but it's actually one of the smartest things you can do if you don't have the money up front to go ahead and invest in a business. Everyone has to start from somewhere, so definitely go ahead and work that job and fund the business that you definitely want to start. And look, I was about 20 years old whenever I started this business, and so I was able to manage a job at HEB and also run this business at the same time. So that should speak volumes to you about how good this business model is. As you can see right here, this is my pricing page. So you can see the different setup fees that I do have in place. Now, sometimes I do charge a setup fee, but if you are either a referral or if you come through from my Facebook ads, that setup fee is actually waived. So I kind of use this as a pricing anchor, which is very smart. It gives them the illusion that they're getting a really good deal, which really all in all, they actually are. But to the customer's eyes, whenever they're on the Zoom call, they definitely want to take advantage of the offer that you are making. So this is the package that I'm mentioning right here, the essential package, $97 a month. What this gets you is a dedicated support specialist, which is me. So they can text me, they can call me, they can email me, whatever the preferred method of contact is, they can reach out to me and I take care of whatever the needs are. And then each package comes with a website, especially on the $97 a month, and you get unlimited website updates. So think about a plumber. You know, they have different pictures of them installing different things on the home or fixing any leaks, whatever the case is. They send them over directly to us. I go ahead and take care of it. I assign it to the VAs and they're able to make those website updates. The next one is a Google review system, which I will go ahead and show you how that's set up. The next one is the website chat widget, and that one is very, very easy to set up as well. And then there's two-way text and email conversation to message those leads. And then there's also Google, Facebook, and IG messaging. The Google one isn't really a thing anymore. I just have it on there. And then the Facebook and IG messaging, what that is, if they connect their different social media platforms, whether that's Facebook or Instagram, their DMs come through in the all-in-one inbox. And the last one is missed call text back. I kind of just have this one thrown in the package. Nobody really ends up going with it just because you do have to use what I call a ghost number, and it forwards those calls to the actual business owner's phone. So a lot of people are pretty hesitant about using that feature, but that's why I include it in the $97 a month, just to go ahead and give that illusion. The way that I reach out to these businesses is by giving them a cold call. Now, what cold calling is pretty much you're looking at Google, and you're finding the phone numbers of these businesses and giving them a call. Now you can either do that manually by looking on Google Maps, which we're about to go over here, or you can pay a scraper to go ahead and give you all that data. And here we are on Google Maps. I typed in landscaping in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I found someone literally within 10 seconds of scrolling, and it's this one right here, Skyline Landscaping Inc. And you can take a look at their website. It's just a one pager, no service pages, no service area pages, just has a short description. This can't even be indexed properly by Google. And look, they just have a home and contact. They don't even have a phone number in the header. I mean, they have it right here, but it's always best to have it up here at the top as well. Look at the contact form. It's just first name and last name. I don't see where they can choose what service they're interested in or where they can leave that custom message. Maybe it's if you click this arrow. I don't want to mess with their website, but even then it should just be up front and they should just be able to fill it out. There's no point of having the two steps there. And just taking a look at the site right here on the review side of things, look, they have 47 Google reviews and they don't even have it displayed on the website. They just have 3 reviews showing. With Go High Level's integration with businesses Google My Business pages, you can actually have all 47 of those reviews shuffling on their website. Now, sure, the customer may not actually go through and look at every single review, but they have more than 3 to look at. And also the widget shows how many total reviews you have. So right then and there, you're building that trust and credibility. And we are about to go over how they can actually get more Google reviews. But also just one more thing I wanted to point out on the site is that I don't see a live AI chatbot, which we can go ahead and take a dive into that. So with the live AI chatbot, what that is, it's a little widget that pops up on the bottom right of the screen. And so what this can do is it can nurture leads as soon as they come through on the website. So like I said, just a little widget, they click on it, they fill out their first name, last name, the message that they want to leave, and AI will go ahead and respond to it. So since this is a landscaper, if someone were to go on the website and it's 11 p.m., it's after hours, this AI chatbot can go ahead and respond. So if they reached out and said, hey, do you lay sod in the Hollywood, Florida area? Now that isn't Fort Lauderdale, but it's a nearby city, and the live AI chatbot will know the information about the business and it will be able to answer that lead. Of course, saying, yes, we do offer this service. What's your first and last name so we can get someone in contact with you? So just like that, you're able to nurture their leads as soon as they come through. So just to show you a little example on how you're able to implement this for a business, we're actually going to use Go High Level's new feature, which is their AI website builder. I filled out the information over here, ABC Landscaping. Let me just go ahead and add the niche. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and take this prompt and we're going to put it in ChatGPT. And so I added the prompt that came from High Level, and all I said was make this Go High Level website prompt better. And the business is based in Fort Lauderdale and they do things such as lawn care, sod laying, and just the traditional things a landscaping company does. So yeah, let's go ahead and click enter, and then let's go ahead and wait for it to spit back out this prompt. So now we are going to copy this prompt. Now that it's done, we're just going to go ahead and copy it and drop it into High Level. And let's go ahead and click generate. And let's give it a few moments and let it generate this site. And so here's the finished website. Let's go ahead and preview it. And as you can see, it didn't get to add the form in just because it doesn't create that, but you can see a beautiful looking website, and it was made in just a matter of minutes. And you can see it got the Fort Lauderdale and surrounding areas added onto the site as well. So now let's go ahead and implement the live AI chatbot on this website. First things first, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and head over to AI agents. And so you want to click create knowledge base. Let's go ahead and name it ABC Lawn Care or Landscaping, I believe we put. Go ahead and click create. And then now we want to feed it the website. So let's go ahead and copy this right here, add source, web crawler, enter the URL, drop it in, extract data. And let's go ahead and give it some time to fetch the pages and actually scan the website. Alrighty, now it is done, and you can see it says trained. So now it actually scanned the website and now it knows the information to spit out whenever the AI is going. And as you can see, it says trained. So that means the link was successfully uploaded and it scanned the website. So now let's go back to AI agents and then let's go to conversation AI. Let's go ahead and create a bot, guided form setup, general Q&A. And let's click create new brand voice, brand name. Let's type in ABC Landscaping, company website. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Here it is. Let's go ahead and plug in this domain. Take that off the end there. Company address, leave that blank. Company email. Let's just put ABC Landscaping at gmail.com. Phone number. Let's just go ahead and put in, and then let's go ahead and put in the business hours. And we're just speed running this. Obviously, you would put in more detail, but you want the tone of voice to be professional. And let's go ahead and click save. And now the brand voice has been created. So let's click next. Bot settings. So just name it ABC Landscaping Bot. and then let's choose the preferred channels. So this bot can go ahead and respond on many different platforms: Instagram, Facebook, the messages that come through in your HighLevel account, or just the chat widget SMS, or if you just set it up to where it's just a live chat and only responds whenever people are actually live on the site. And you can even do WhatsApp. Email notification settings: receive an email notification if the bot doesn't know how to answer. So pretty straightforward. If the bot does not know the answer to the question, you will receive an email, and you can choose who gets the email, whether it's all the admins, specific user, if you have someone dedicated for that. Whatever the case is, you can turn that toggle on. So let's go ahead and click save, and let's put it on autopilot, and then let's go ahead and click test your bot. So let's see how it does. Hello, I am interested in looking for sod laying services. Let's give it a second. Thanks for reaching out about sod laying services. I'm happy to help you with that. To get started, what's your name? So just like that, and engaged with the lead. And so from a sales aspect, from a demo perspective, you can easily make one of these for your demos if you wanted to show them live on the call. But also just from the business standpoint, as a landscaper, the biggest thing is nurturing these leads as soon as they come through the door. So via the live AI chatbot tool, this will nurture those leads and prevent them from going to the next person on Google, because landscaping is a very competitive niche. People will have more reviews, people will have better SEO practices, they've been in business longer, they're more reputable. So there's a lot of different things that can play into people going, a different route and not with that specific business. So having these different things on the website that nurture these leads as soon as they come through the door is a very important thing to mention on these sales calls. So let's go ahead and head back to the sites tab. Now that we have the website pulled up, all you have to do is just go to settings, chat widget, ABC landscaping, save. And now let's go ahead and click the preview icon. And as you can see, the live AI chatbot is now there. So now we just wrapped up the live AI chatbot. Now the next thing to go over is the Google review automation system. This is very easy to set up, and you can make a ton of money just by offering this feature in the $97 a month plan. It's highly incentivized for these businesses to actually go ahead and move forward with it, not just because they're getting a website, but also because they're getting a way to accumulate Google reviews, and reviews will automatically be responded to, and it will automatically post it on their social media. So let's take a dive into that. Here's your reputation tab, and this gives you a breakdown of everything review related. So the invite goal, you can see if you're hitting your invite goals, you can see how many reviews have been received, you can see whether they're thumbs up, thumbs down, you can see your average rating, your invite trends. If one month you were asking for a lot of Google review requests from your customers, if you were getting a lot of reviews, whatever the case is, it gives you a full-on breakdown of everything. So let's go ahead and head over to settings, and this is where you would actually set it up. So if you go to SMS request, Go HighLevel automatically puts a prompt in there, which is really nice, but you can change that if you would like. But the default message is, hi there, thank you for choosing, and it will automatically fill in the business name. Would you be willing to take 30 seconds and leave us a quick review? The link below makes it easy. Now, what I didn't mention is that you actually need to connect your Google My Business page. You go ahead and do that right here. You just sign into the Gmail associated with the Google My Business page, and you're good to go, and it's connected. Now, once it's connected, that's how it knows what link to go ahead and drop in right here. And you can see the different things that you can do with it. So whether someone checks in, you can send it immediately, until clicked, repeat this every, and you can choose however often you want it to repeat, and the maximum number of retries. So you now have a way to ask for Google reviews, and it'll automatically follow up with them until they click on it. Obviously, you don't want to blow their phone up, but you can set that parameter of how many times you want it to ask. What's really nice about the review process as well is that not only does Google like to see you actually getting reviews, but Google loves to see whenever they're getting responded to the reviews. So Go HighLevel goes ahead and takes care of that as well. Reviews AI, you can see auto response. You want to turn that on, and you can see the prompt that you can give it and how you're able to edit it, how it responds. And so you can see you can choose professional and funny, and then you can choose what review source you want it to actually respond to. Obviously it would be Google. Go ahead and click save. And so now it will use that prompt. It'll use that tone when it's responding to these different reviews that the business gets. A feature that Go HighLevel rolled out pretty recently is a feature where if you connect your Facebook, it will actually post those positive reviews on that dedicated platform. So imagine telling them on a sales call that not only are you giving them a way to ask for reviews, and you're also responding to the reviews for them, but it's also getting posted on their social media. That is the big three in the review game, and you're giving them a solution to all of it. Now look, like I said, you're setting all this up for just $97 a month. Now the last thing that we need to go over is the website fulfillment. How are you going to fulfill that? Now here's what I do recommend. I brought on VAs very, very quickly and within my agency. A lot of people were thinking that I did it too early, or they were surprised that I did it that early, but it sped up the process so much, and it allowed me to build that snowball effect. Because you have to think, if you are to close a client in your beginner stages, now you have to take away 2 weeks of your time, sometimes even longer, to build your first website. And now you lost that sales momentum. Now, the place I actually go to find my VAs is a platform called Upwork. And so Upwork is a place where freelancers are, and you can actually make a job post asking for people that are experienced in the Go High Level field. I actually am an affiliate of Go High Level. That is the software that I've been showing you in this video. And so if you sign up using my link down below, you actually get a 30-day extended free trial. And so that means you are now my affiliate. And so you get 2 calls per week with me. You get snapshots, you get SOPs. And the biggest thing also is that you get my direct VAs that I work with to this day. If you are signed up under someone already, no need to worry. I actually have a private community where you can actually pay a monthly fee and you get treated as my affiliate, whereas if you signed up under my link. But if you haven't gotten started, I definitely recommend using my link, because that means I am pretty much your mentor for your entire agency's existence. And you get my direct number. You can text me with any questions that you have. And like I said, the biggest thing is that you get direct access to my VAs, which my current affiliates absolutely love, because you do need to be careful when you are vetting out these VAs. Something that people always tell me is that I brought on VAs so early, but like I said, it was definitely necessary. You need to be focused on sales and the fulfillment side of things. Yes, you can do yourself, but as far as the website build goes, you definitely don't need to be taking time out of your day to go ahead and build these sites when you can easily pay someone for it and keep that snowball effect going. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, keep on going, and I'll see you in the next one.